All right, we are going to write an equation for this in point-slope form too, but you're starting with 2 points, which means you need to start by finding the slope. There's the point-slope form, but to get the slope, we need another formula. We're going to use both points. And we're going to move that slope into the point-slope form. Okay, the first one, the red one here, is coming from y1. Y minus y1 equals -1 was our slope, and that goes into the slope spot. And the 3 is the positive 3x1. And that is our equation in point-slope form. You do not need to multiply this out, but you'll notice when I chose my answer, it didn't say -1 in the front, it just has a negative. Same thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.